In this video, I'll show you how to add authentication to a Lovable app. Start by signing into your Lovable account and open the project where you want to add authentication. Next, make sure your project is connected to Supabase. If it isn't, click Integrations, select Supabase, and connect your project before continuing. After that, open the AI chat panel in Lovable and enter a prompt. For example, type, add user authentication to my app using Supabase author create sign up, log in, forgot password, and log out pages. Protect the dashboard so only authenticated users can access it, ***. Now let Lovable generate the authentication system. Review the changes, then click Apply to add the authentication features to your project. Next, return to your Supabase project. Go to Authentication, then Providers, and make sure email authentication is enabled. If you'd like, you can also enable providers such as Google or GitHub. After that, go back to Lovable and click Preview. Create a test account using an email such as test@example.com, mailtotest@example.com, and a password like password123. Sign in to confirm that authentication is working correctly. Finally, publish your app and test the authentication flow one more time using the live URL to make sure users can sign up, log in, and log out successfully. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add authentication to a Lovable app. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.